Hello everyone, today we are going to reuse all these waste material into a beautiful organizer. So I've taken this cardboard boxes and we are going to stick all of these together on a board. I have taken a cardboard board only, and like this I have made this. Now I've taken this newspaper rolls and I'm going to stick all of these on it using Fevicol. One by one we are going to stick all of the sticks on it, and we're going to just keep a shelf like this using a cardboard only. I have applied a layer of white paint on it. Now I'm going to paint it with pink paint. You can do any color you want to, and using a beautiful pearl lace I have decorated this. And then I have taken these stickers of princess. I'm going to stick all of these on it, and this is done. Now for the next one, I have cut these pencils on a thin cardboard. I'm going to stick all of these, but firstly I'm going to paint this using pastel shades. I'm going to paint, and then here I've taken this thin box and I have stick all of these on it, and this one is also done. Now for the next one, here I have taken a shoe box and here we are going to cover it with a thick sheet. And now to make the compartments, here I have taken a cardboard piece 11 by 7 centimeter, and we are going to cover this also. Now for the separation and the division between the box, I have taken this cardboard, and similarly I'm going to cover this also with thick sheet. So like this we are going to join this together. And like this our beautiful organizer base is done. Now to decorate it from the outside, I have cut these pencils on a thin cardboard only, like this. Firstly we're going to attach all of these on this side of the organizer, and now I'm going to paint this with different shades. I'm going to use pastel shades for this. Like this I'm going to paint this. So this one is also done. To make some more highlights, I have outlined it with black paint, and this is also done. You can keep any stationery you want to keep in this. Now for the last one, which is a very cute cloud organizer, I have cut two clouds on thin cardboard and taken this thin box. I'm going to stick the clouds on both the sides of it, and this cute organizer is also done. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.